Do you ever sit in front of a camera frozen and wondering why you cannot just hit record? Or maybe you post a video and immediately start questioning why you did it, how will it will perform, if it was the right decision, or if anyone will actually watch it. I was in that exact chair 8 months ago. If I'm being honest, longer than 8 months. I kept telling myself I needed the right studio setup, I needed the right lights, I needed the right script, I needed the right format. Even right until the day I finally hit record, I kept coming up with these excuses. And then I said to myself, so what? So what if people judge me? So what if this video does not perform as well as I want it to? So what? See, I couldn't move until I had made the decision to actually move. And you won't grow until you make the decision to do the work and actually grow. Let's look at the 3 most common things that are holding people back in their creator journey. The gear myth. This one whispers quite insistently that you need the right rig setup, the latest phone, the latest microphones, latest backdrop, or even the latest laptop or iPad. This bothered me so much until I started paying attention to the creators who were actually killing it, and I realized a few things. They did not necessarily have the best lighting. Some of their videos were grainy. Their audio was just okay. What they did have was a connection with their audiences, and people were happily consuming their content because they were not following the gear, they were following the person and their unique perspective. The comparison. You spend so much time consuming social media that you forget that your favorite creators also started somewhere. And many times it wasn't with a full production house behind them. Their start wasn't the most elegant, but they started. You only get one life. Don't let imaginary people dictate how you will show up. And third, and my most favorite one, overthinking. This is where the castle knowledge can trip you up. Your overly active imagination is a very loud noise in your head, shouting every possible scenario and keeping you from making any real movement and growth. Once you recognize the fear and what's holding you back for what it is, you will be able to push through and actually start creating. Everyone starts somewhere. You just need to make the decision to start. Plus, even if your second, your 10th, your 20th, your 30th video doesn't do that well, you're still many steps ahead of where you would have been if you hadn't started at all. And that is a win. We aren't striving for perfection. We are striving to start and track what we're doing so we can replicate our success. The creators who grow show up even when it's uncomfortable, even when they don't know how it will all end. My challenge to you today is to pick up your phone and film your next 2 videos. Pick any 2 things you want to talk about and hit record. Your mindset shapes your results. Shift it and you will shift your growth. Let's talk next steps. Download your workbook if you haven't. Head to the mindset blogs section. Write down the biggest things that are blocking what you're doing. Choose a mindset that you're going to consciously work towards dealing with so that you can continue pushing through and showing up. Next time I see you, we will be talking about TikTok basics and niche discovery. Keep showing up. Your progress is real. And remember, we experiment over here. We don't make excuses.